16. Kale salad with lemon vinaigrette, a nutritious salad that features hearty kale, complemented by a zesty lemon vinaigrette. Recipe. Ingredients: 6 cups kale, chopped 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, grated 1/4 cup almonds, sliced, 1/4 cup dried cranberries, 1/4 cup olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon, Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon honey, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a large bowl, combine kale, Parmesan cheese, almonds, and dried cranberries. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, honey, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and massage the kale until it's well coated and slightly softened. Serve immediately. 17. Mango avocado salad. A refreshing salad that combines the sweetness of mango with the creamy texture of avocado. Recipe. Ingredients: to ripe mangoes, diced to avocados, diced 1/2 red onion, thinly sliced, 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped juice of 1 lime, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a large bowl, combine mangoes, avocados, red onion, and cilantro. Drizzle with lime juice and season with salt and pepper. Toast gently and serve immediately. 18. Broccoli salad. A crunchy, flavorful salad featuring fresh broccoli, dried cranberries, and a tangy dressing. Recipe. Ingredients: 4 cups broccoli florets, 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped 1/4 cup dried cranberries, 1/4 cup sunflower seeds, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a large bowl, combine broccoli, red onion, dried cranberries, and sunflower seeds. In a small bowl, whisk together Greek yogurt, apple cider vinegar, honey, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to coat. Serve immediately. 19. Shrimp and avocado salad. A light and flavorful salad that features tender shrimp and creamy avocado. Perfect for a summer meal. Recipe. Ingredients: 1 pound shrimp, cooked and peeled to avocados, diced, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped 2 tablespoons olive oil, juice of 1 lime, 1 clove garlic, minced salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a large bowl, combine shrimp, avocados, cherry tomatoes, and red onion. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lime juice, garlic, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to coat. Serve immediately.